one piece of advice you would tell someone that has yet to buy their first property here in Chicago?
Yeah. This is like is a three-parter. And number one is get out of your own way. Most likely you are the one holding yourself back. Part B is surround yourself with really great people. Try to be the dumbest person in the room, because while it's very uncomfortable, you learn quite a bit. Side note, older people, they're amazing. Spend time with them. They know everything, and part C, take, this advice was given to me many years ago, but take the 30,000 foot view. Imagine you're in a plane flying over your particular situation. Is it really that big of a deal, or are you exaggerating it in your own mind? If your dreams are to buy a 30-unit building someday, and you're working on a 3-unit building, that perspective makes the 3-unit feel not so complicated, because eventually you have to do a 30-unit building. So those three things I think are very important. Again, I think it's more mindset, and everything else can be figured out by listening to podcasts or reading books.